A few months ago, I visited a coffee shop at Jeju Island in South Korea. Perfect view and amazing waves. The only thing would be better is that I can replace this coffee with a beer. So, I think it is a fun idea to try a wavy text in Photoshop and make it into a beer can mock-up. Welcome to my 100 text effects series, episode 4. First, find yourself some nice wave or sea background image. Then create some texts and layouts. Here I made wavy and beer and outline text. The method is to adjust the fill opacity to 0% and then add a stroke layer style. This should be pretty simple. If you have any questions about this, go check my previous video about fill opacity and stroke layer style in the description. Then select the layer you want to create a wavy effect, Option plus E or Control plus E to merge them together. Go to the top menu, find Edit and Free Transform. Then right-click and find Warp. You can select Wave in the Warp option bar at the top. There will be an anchor point that appears on your text layer. You can easily drag it up and down to adjust the wave style. Now, a basic Warp Wavy text effect is completed. Next, I will show you a method that I often use to make design mockups. This is a Mockup PSD file from mockupsdesign.com. There is a smart object built in. You only need to double-click this smart object in the Layers panel to open a new window. Here, you can change anything at will. For example, I made wavy white again, darkened the background image, also simulated the packaging design and added some details. Then you just need to save this file and give Photoshop some time to convert the image again. Then you can easily get your mock-up image. Here I notice there's a little issue here at the bottom of the image I just made. Go double-click this smart object again, adjust the design and layout, then save it again. Mockup will be updated again to the latest design and layout. Very convenient, isn't it? Most of the Mockup PSD files in mockupdesign.com are free, and it does not sponsor this video. I recommend it to everyone only because it is free and easy to use. If you like, I put the Mockup website and this design source PSD file for you in the description. Let me know if you need any more details about this. Just leave a comment. I'll be glad to help. This is one of my 100 text effects series. 99 more videos and free PSD files are coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. I'll keep creating.